go to see that today. Oh my, so baby Mary Chicken. Mary Chicken, Queen Steak Chicken, and
I don't need a snow piles in the yard. Is Tom the time such as well as the other? Oh, hello, there's what about Mad Penguin, is a realizing.
I would need to just go to baby Mary Chicken Green, been there since the last.
No, they were you able Mad Penguin, is that Yonkers NY to NYC not?
No, knock up for fun. I'll have to chicken Mary Chicken Green Bean sees the next.
Mad Angry the Penguin.
Cambodia at the angry, the Mary Chicken Green Bean the same what you want liquid.
The team Mad Penguin.
I'm a head's murmurs so she can say. You say that it also gets some out of my room, it has to be. I just want to tell me a Mary Chicken Green Jessa Ross the Kasama Khan the job I'll have to be with.
You can't available sound of a great weekend, again go you, but today is at your Bell Pika.